Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, let's quickly discuss about the doubly linked list, or let's actually start discussing about the doubly linked list, because in the previous few lectures we have seen how we can create a singly linked list, what is the usage of singly linked list. Okay, now in this lecture let's see what is a doubly linked list. Okay, so as you can see in my screen right now, I have the data structure of singly linked list here. Okay, so where we have a head, where we have a tail, and it is in just one direction, right? In doubly linked list is a slightly changed data structure from this one. Okay, so how doubly linked list will look like is, see, right now all the nodes have just track of the next node. So this one knows what is going to be the next node, this one knows what is going to be the next node, this one knows what is going to be the next node. Okay, but in doubly linked list we have a keep track of the previous node as well. Okay, so if this node knows like what is going to be the next node, it will also know what is going to be the previous node. Same will happen with this. Okay, if B knows who is the next node, then B will also know who is the previous node. Okay, so the doubly linked list diagram will look something like this. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so here we have head, we have tail. Okay, and then head will have some previous node, tail will have some next node. Okay, so in the previous diagram, as you can see, head had nothing in previous, right, in previous value, right, but tail had something stored in the next value because it was just flowing in one direction. But here in doubly linked list, it flows in both the directions. So the benefit we get here, we get more flexibility, right? In case if you want to delete some element, delete some node from the beginning or the end, in the doubly linked list all you have to do is you simply have to access that particular node and you can delete it, right? But in case of singly linked list, in case let's say you want to delete the last node, right, what you had to do, you simply had to traverse it all the way up till the last node and then you had to remove it, right? But that's not the case with the doubly linked list. You can simply remove this node from the end and you can simply detach it. Okay, so this is all we are going to see in the next couple of lectures. Since we have studied about the singly linked list thoroughly, so it's not gonna be much difficult it's not gonna be like that much difficult to learn doubly linked list, right? Obviously there will be few methods which will be a little bit twisted, like inserting the nodes in between. See, in the previous singly linked list, if we had to insert any node in the between, what we had to do is we simply had to add a node here. Let's say we want to add this node here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to point this node to this node and then this node to this node, right? But in the doubly linked list, in case if we want to add a node here, what we have to do, we have to point this node to the new node to this node, and then we have to store the previous node as well in the new node. Okay, and then this node dot previous also we have to update as a new node. Okay, so in case if you are not able to understand with this explanation, we are going to do a lot of practicals. Okay, after the end of this sections you will be fully fledged, you will learn like you will understand completely, I would say, about singly linked list, doubly linked list, right? So yeah, and one more thing I wanted to cover, like if there is a benefit like using doubly linked list, we get more flexibility, we can easily access, we don't have to worry about traversing the node that much in the doubly linked list. There is always a trade-off, it eats more memory in comparison to singly linked list. Okay, in singly linked list we just keep track of the next node, in doubly linked list we keep track of previous and next node both. Okay, it flows in either direction, that's why it eats more memory than the singly linked list. Okay, so that is one of the trade-off of doubly linked list. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's lecture. See you in the next one.